Hello and welcome to Arogya Vidya. Today's recipe is honey ginger lemon syrup or kashayam. It improves digestion, relieves cold and fever, detoxes the body, improves immunity and much more. Without any delay, let's get started with the recipe. Start by washing and peeling 100 grams of ginger. The ginger skin is said to be poisonous, so make sure to always peel it before using. Once we have peeled the ginger, we need to wash it again to remove any remaining peel. Now, roughly chop them. Ginger reduces inflammation, treats chronic indigestion, helps with weight loss and fights infections. Grind the chopped pieces of ginger using 1 cup of water till you get a smooth paste. Strain this paste to remove the ginger fibers from the ginger juice. Squeeze out as much juice as possible from the ginger fibers. I got about 3/4 cup of ginger juice. Cover the ginger juice and set it aside for around 2 hours so that the sediments settle down. Meanwhile, squeeze and strain the juice of 20 to 25 lemons. You should get about 3/4 cup of lemon juice. Cover and keep it in the refrigerator till you use it. Now heat a kadai with 3/4 cup of jaggery powder, 3/4 cup of sugar and half cup water. You can even use only sugar or only jaggery powder. Keep stirring till all the sugar dissolves. Jaggery prevents constipation, purifies blood and helps with menstrual pain. Strain this liquid to remove any impurities. Transfer it back to the kadhai and cook the liquid on high flame till it starts boiling. Then cook on low flame till it becomes a little sticky. This should take about 10 minutes. Now add the ginger juice. Throw away the ginger sediments. This white sediment can cause stomach upset. Cook the liquid for 15 minutes till it is thick and frothy. Then add the lemon juice and cook for another 15 minutes. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and supports weight loss, improves skin quality, improves immunity and helps digestion. You can see the syrup has become frothy and has a thick honey-like consistency. Switch off the flame and let the syrup cool down a bit but not completely cooled. Then add 500 grams of honey and mix well. Never add honey when a liquid is boiling as this can kill honey's properties. Honey is antioxidant rich, has antibacterial and antifungal properties, soothes sore throat, helps with digestive problems and improves immunity. Transfer this syrup into a dry glass bottle. This syrup or kashayam stays good for 2 years. Drink 2 to 3 teaspoons of this syrup with a glass of warm water. This cures loss of appetite, stomach problems, Tridosha imbalance, cold, sore throat, vomiting sensation, fever and tastelessness. You can even have it without warm water as it is. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.